Radha Didi conducted this workshop over 3 days and I loved it. We were told 3 stories of many amazing temples and very interesting facts.
I was a participant of Stories Behind Temple Season 2. It was very interesting. I enjoyed. I actually learned many new facts I didn't know before. I also shared it with my family and friends.
I am about to share to you my favorite temple called the Chidambaram Thillai Nataraja temple. It represents the element of space. How cool is that?
The word Chidambaram means Chit means consciousness and Ambara means sky. The temple has 9 gateways, just like 9 openings in our body.
The thing that fascinated me in Chidambaram temple was that there are 21,600 gold leaves or pallets, which is actually how many breaths a human takes in a day, and then the screws are how many nerves a human body has.
People worship Shiva in 3 forms in the temple. 1 is Nataraja. 2 is the Linga form. 3 is the form of space.
There are also 4 other temples which represent the other elements. They are called Sri Kalahasti, which represents air, Jambukeshwara representing water, Arunachaleshwara representing fire, and Ekambareshwara representing earth. There is also something called the Chidambara Ragasyam. Do you want to know about it? Do attend the workshop. You will love it.
The thing I liked about Pandharpur Vitala temple was that I got to know that there is one day for, like there's a pilgrimage day, and that is called Ashadi Ekadasi, and lakhs of people come.
You told about many bhaktas such as Vyagrapada. How deep was his devotion? He asked for tiger legs and tiger eyes just to bring fresh flowers to the Lord.
I love the workshop you made for us. You told many mind-blowing and absolutely fantastic stories, and I loved everything. Mainly, I love that laddu process you showed. It was absolutely fantastic. I could not believe my eyes, man. It was awesome.
The special prasad given to the devotees is Tirupati Laddu. The 7 hills represents the heads of Adishesha, and it is also called the Bhuloka Vaikuntham, said by Rishi Ramanujacharya.
I visited many temples. I always find them very boring. So next time before I go to a temple, I'll learn more facts about it. So when I visit the temple, it'll be much more enjoyable for me.
So, I've always thought temples were places where you go to pray and you see God and then you come back, take the prasadam and go. But you have taught me much more, that there is not so much to see in a temple, that the sculptors, they want to express and they want to show us what we had, what were the tools that were made, how many difficulties they faced, and what all wonders they did. So thank you, Auntie, helping me grow the interest of learning and studying about temples. Thank you.
Namaskaram Radhaji. Thank you for giving us children this amazing opportunity to listen about stories behind temple. It was very interesting and inspiring to learn about our Indian culture.
So our teacher actually made us travel from where we are. So I'm also looking forward to the next season.
I liked the class very much. It was very exciting. Thank you, Radha Auntie.
And I am waiting for the season 3 Stories Behind Temples. Jai Shri Krishna.
I just can't forget the time I had at this session. I am waiting for season 3.
Please keep season 3.
Thank you, Radha Aunty, for telling beautiful stories about temples of India. I'm waiting to visit all the temples in India. Thank you once again.